Hello students, let us continue the lesson. Next point is closing and exiting a presentation. How to close and how to exit from a presentation. And in my previous video, I have discussed how to save a presentation. If you have not watched that video, so once you watch it, you will understand the point. And before continuing this point, closing and exiting a presentation, if you have not yet subscribed my channel, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload any new videos. The first point is closing a presentation. Click on the file tab, close option. The presentation will be closed, but the presentation application window will remain open. Okay, if you want to close that presentation, in that case just click on file tab and select the close option. So when you select this close option, what happens only, so the working area for presentation gets closed, but application window remains open. Okay, see here, I'll open a PowerPoint, power pnt power pnt to open a PowerPoint by using a run window. Then click on OK button. Okay, see here we have a file tab. Just click on file tab, and in a file tab we have a close option. You can see here close option. Just click on close. So what happened only, so that the presentation window working area got closed, but still application is open. Okay, so this is the way to close that window. See, once again I'll open this one, new window, new presentation. Then click on file and click on close option to close the presentation working window. Not a application. Okay, still application is open. Understood? And the shortcut key to close this window. Okay, see here, let me open a presentation, and shortcut key is Control plus W. So when you press Control W, that presentation window gets closed. Okay, you can keep it in your mind. So that's shortcut key to close the presentation. Next point is exiting a presentation. Now how to exit, how to close the entire application. To close or exit PowerPoint application, click on the close button on the title bar, or click on the file tab and select the exit option. The Microsoft PowerPoint application will be closed. Okay, see here, I'll open a PowerPoint. Now you have a PowerPoint presentation. You can exit this application in 2-3 ways. You can use this close button on a title bar. So just click on this close button, it gets closed. Or next method is you can click on file and you can click on exit option, then also it gets closed. Or one more method, that is a shortcut key. Okay, you can use a shortcut key. You can press Alt plus F4. See here, I'll open a keyboard. So on your keyboard, you have to press Alt plus F4 button. So first of all, let me activate that function keys by using this function button. Now see, when I press Alt plus F4, so presentation gets closed. So in this way, you can close that presentation in a 2-3 ways. Okay, so which is convenient for you, you can use that option. Okay. See, PowerPoint 2007, one note is given here. To exit a presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint 2007, click on the Office button and exit PowerPoint. So this option already I have shown you. Okay, you can refer that also. Next point is opening a presentation. So how to open an existing presentation? Already if you have saved your file in your system, so how to open? There are 3 ways to open an existing presentation as shown below. Okay, so we have 2-3 methods. You can use the shortcut button or you can use that open option. Okay, so first of all, you see your first method. First method is here. Click on the file tab, open option. Okay, let me open a PowerPoint once again. It is closed already by using the shortcut key. Okay, so this is a PowerPoint. First click on file tab, then select open option. Then you will get a open dialog box. In this open dialog box, select the PowerPoint presentation file. Okay, I'll select on presentation, so 4th standard, then click on open. Okay, nothing is there, but this file is open. You can see the name 4th standard. Look at my mouse pointer, so file is open. So click on file and open. Let me see any other files, any documents, any contents are present. Select let my presentation. Okay, computer department learning with fun. So my presentation file is open. So this is the first way, first method. Second method is click on the open button on the quick access toolbar. In a presentation, here quick access toolbar. Okay, now you can see here there is no open button in this quick access toolbar. If it is not there, then you can add it. So just click on that customize button and select open. Okay, so that open option will be added. Then click on that open button. Then in the open dialog box, select the file which you want to open. Then here choose this open. Okay, so with this show, select this. You can open that presentation by using a quick access toolbar, open option from the quick access toolbar. This is second option. Next, the third option on your keyboard. Okay, you can use the shortcut key. So on the keyboard, see here, this is my keyboard. In this keyboard, I'll use the shortcut key Control and O button. So when you press Control O, you will get an open dialog box again. So in this open dialog box, select the file which you want to open, then click on open it. So that file will be open. Already it is open, same file I have opened it. So that's why you have not seen any effect. You see, in this way you can open any files by following any one of the method. Okay. So these are the options, okay, they have given here, and using method 1 or 2, okay, shown in figure 6.8. okay, the open dialog box appears. Select any file, your file name is given, activities of the month, and click on open button. Using method 3, okay, third method, here third method, as shown in the figure, the browse dialog box appears. Select the file and click on a open button here. See, so that also you can follow. Click on the arrow next to the new slide button and click on the open PowerPoint file option, reuse slides pane. So this option I have not shown you. See once here. So in a new slide here, okay, okay, let me see. New slide, which option they have selected. Okay, click on the new slide, then select reuse slides option. Whether do we have that option, reuse slides. Okay, so in this, so open slides library, open slides file, PowerPoint file, and this one. In this you select this open PowerPoint file, again select it, then click on open. So that file will be open. So in this case, so this is the way to open the file. Okay, see here. Okay, so that point is still there only. Okay, so here that file is open. Okay, so reuse the slides and you can open it. See here, now I have opened it. So this is the way to use this open option, and how to close the application and how to close the working area. So I hope you have understood this point, and if you are not yet subscribed my channel, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload any new videos. Thank you for watching.